So today the angle is a little different because I want you to see something a little different. We're working on happy baby. Before we get there, please make sure that you like, subscribe, comment, do all the things, sign up for a class because you know you want to. All the stuff, turn on your notifications, share this with somebody who really needs to relax. Happy baby is a common go-to at the end of a yoga class for a little release, a little relaxation, a little more opening. And there are a few ways that this can be used that I know not everybody actually uses. So I want to give you some options. Just like the rest of this week, we're starting flat on our mat. You can use the hands to pull the knees into the chest or your core strength here. And you have the option to hold on to your body anywhere from the knees to the big toes. Usually the instruction is given to take your peace fingers and wrap them around the big toes. That may not be accessible. Your belly might feel like it's in the way here. You don't have to have that reach. You can hold on to the ankles pretty much as far down as you can comfortably. But if that means you're holding on to the back of the knees, then that's where you hold on to. The work that is supposed to be happening is in your hips and your back, so it doesn't matter. From here, you're going to find the furthest place down that you can hold. I'm going to take a hold right around the outside edges of my feet. For happy baby, we kick into one leg and pull the opposite knee down towards the mat outside of that hip. So left foot goes up, right knee comes back. Opposite here, right foot goes up, left knee comes back. Comes back. Come back to center. That's your happy baby. So if you've been frustrated by it, if you've been confused by it, that's really all you needed. As you kick, you will roll side to side naturally like a happy baby. Again, maybe that means your hands are by the knees. So you're still holding, you're still rolling, you're still opposite knee back, opposite knee back. That doesn't change. If your range of motion is limited, the more you continue to practice, the more that's going to change. Now, some ways that we can use this are to take a hold. And if you wanted to stretch more in the legs, you can extend more in those legs and come to a straighter leg to get more of a stretch down the back of the leg, the hamstrings, all that, right? If you want to stretch the shoulders more, take a hold. I will admit this is easier if you can get a hold of your foot than down anywhere else. But take a hold here, keep the knees bent, press the heels away from you, get that long stretch down the arm, a little bit of openness happening in the shoulder. That's a nice one to me. And if you like it, feel free to use it. If it doesn't feel accessible to you, you can absolutely do one leg at a time, pull it back, open up, then take the opposite side. That's going to get you into the hip and less into the back, but it will open up that lower back if that's what you're looking for too. If it happens to be uncomfortable to you to lay flat on the floor with your back down, you might want to just try more cushion, a pillow, blanket, something under your lower back. Or you can do this in bed. You can do it on the couch. I still suggest signing up for a private session with a yoga teacher like myself or somebody else you feel resonates with you to help you figure out what your yoga practice really looks like and how it feels in your body. Please make sure you like, subscribe, share, follow, do all the things. If you're looking to sign up for a class or a yoga session or an event or a retreat, go to thickthightyoga.com. I would love to work with you.